Are there any messages, Mrs. Stimler?
Yes.
What are they?
Oh, your father called. He wants you to call him back.
Mrs. Stimler, our father passed away about 5 years ago. Do you remember?
Right. Should I get him for you?
No. I'll take care of it. You just get back to work.
What's with her?
Oh, she had a little accident over the weekend. Got hit in the head by some lightning. Oh, it's not funny, Freddie. It's not funny.
I'm sorry. That's not funny. That's not funny.
Besides, she's okay. She can still do certain things around the office.
Like what? Jumpstart a car? Jumpstart a car. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What the hell are you doing down here?
Maybe I went to the Club A last night.
Oh, something new for you.
Maybe I met Mr. Byright, the owner of Byright Supermarkets. Maybe we had a few drinks. And maybe, just maybe, we're his new produce suppliers.
I'm proud of you. That's great. Which store?
Not which store, the whole chain.
I hope you are joking with me right now.
Think big, be big, my friend. He was a Green Beret colonel. I made up a story about you being wounded in Nam, and he wants to do business. Now, he's coming around this morning to check out the operation.
This morning? Great, Freddie. This is only chaos down here. Augie brings me slimy cherries
So
from
what?
upstate.
So what?
Jerry's getting married tomorrow night.
what?
Did you realize that?
I was out drinking
I
with his
haven't
bum
picked
all
up
night
my
long.
tuxedo
I'm
this
busting my
evening.
buns all
All
night
the way up
drinking
on
with
East
this guy. Getting a
77th
big deal.
Street.
Come on, you
For
can handle this,
crying out
Alec.
loud.
Come on, relax.
Oh,
You'll
yeah,
handle
I'll
it.
handle
Clean up
fine,
the
no
desk.
problem.
Where's
Don't
there was like
touch
a
the
pigsty
desk. Leave the
here.
desk alone.
Do what I do.
Don't
Throw it in
touch
the
it.
drawer.
I have a system on the desk.
Phone for you.
What? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, all right. Thank you, thank you. Hi, Victoria. I'm sorry. I meant to call you back. Forgot. You're moving out of the apartment now while we're talking on the phone. Well, yeah, I know we were going to talk about it, but... Victoria, this is a little impulsive, don't you think? I mean, if we were married, you wouldn't just move out like this.
She might do that, sure.
Will you get off?
Was that you?
Get off the phone.
I'm so sorry.
No, not you, Victoria, no.
I didn't know you were on the phone. Tell the guy.
What do you mean, do I love you? Well,